Hi, we've already done a how-to video on how to do a journal. This is just going to be a little addendum to it. This is for the Module 15 Great Depression Journal. So I am going to just tell you a little bit about it. We've already talked about how to do a journal. We've already gone through the rubric. If you need to know that information, please watch the how-to video from Module 6 for that journal entry. But again, it's a 500 words. You need to put the word count. You will be highlighting, you need at least 4 causes of the Great Depression. That's what this topic is on. And you need to also include what impact it had on society, including your family and just everybody in general. So make sure you have at least 4 causes written in a journal form for the Great Depression, and then make sure you talk about how it impacted your family or society as a whole. Highlight the impacts in a different color than you highlight the causes. Again, you're just highlighting keywords, as I have done on this paper. You're just highlighting keywords. If you realize you don't have enough on either the causes or the impacts, this is your chance to add more when you go to highlight key details. The rubric was talked about before, so it's the same rubric for the other journal, so please watch that journal video if you need more information. Remember, the details is worth half of the scoring. Bye-bye.